In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a robots.txt file in Yoast SEO. If you're managing a WordPress site and want to have better control over how search engines crawl your site, creating or editing a robots.txt file is an essential step. This file informs search engine bots how they should interact with your website, guiding them to the most important areas while keeping certain sections private if necessary. Let's walk through this process together, making sure you understand each step along the way. First, we'll start by navigating to the Yoast Tools section within your WordPress dashboard. Log into your WordPress site, and once you're in your dashboard, you'll want to look for the Yoast SEO plugin options in the menu. Within Yoast SEO, find and click on Tools. This area houses several useful options that help you manage different aspects of SEO configurations on your website. Once you're in the Yoast Tools section, you need to click on File Editor. This is a specific feature within Yoast that allows you to directly edit important files, namely your robots.txt file, and if applicable, your .htaccess file. Today, our focus will be on robots.txt. If you already have a robots.txt file, you'll see its contents here, letting you make any necessary changes. If not, Yoast will prompt you to create one from scratch, which can be done with just a click. Now, this is where you can edit or create your robots.txt file. If you're starting anew, think of this file as a command center for search engines visiting your site. You can add rules to help navigate their pathways. For example, you might want to block certain areas of your site from being crawled, such as sections under development or pages that shouldn't appear in search engine results. Make sure to add or modify these rules carefully, as incorrectly configured rules can unintentionally block crucial parts of your site from being indexed. After you've made your changes or created new rules, it's important to save your adjustments. You'll need to click on the button labeled Save Changes to robots.txt. This step commits your changes, ensuring that the updated instructions are in place for when search engines attempt to crawl your site. Double-check your changes to avoid accidental blockages that could affect your site's search visibility. And there you have it, a successfully added or edited robots.txt file within Yoast SEO. This straightforward process helps keep your site organized and your important content accessible to search engines. Remember, managing your robots.txt file effectively can significantly improve your site's SEO by controlling how your content is crawled and indexed. Thanks for following along, and happy optimizing.